Hi there, welcome to 1-2 Steps. In today's video, I am going to guide you through how to log into your Santander bank account. So to log into your Santander bank account, first we need to open up any web browser. In today's video, I'm going to use Google. So after opening up Google, on the URL bar, type in Santander Bank. After typing in Santander Bank, click on the first option called Online Banking. After clicking that, click on the login sign, which should be on the topmost right corner. And after doing that, you will see a login page where you need to type in your username and your password. After typing in your username and your password, click on Login to login. And if you forgot your username or your password, then click on Forgot User ID and Forgot Password. It will guide you to recover your user ID and your password. So that was the process of logging into your Santander bank account. If you find this video useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscription button and ring the notification bell if you want to get notification from our site. For now, thank you for watching the video.